If you are wondering if we have Game Turbo on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. We have a game dashboard, which seems to be the equivalent of Game Turbo, although we don't really have many features available over there. Now, if you want to open that game dashboard, the first thing that you need to do is you need to actually open Settings on your phone. So we want to go to Settings. Then over here at the top, you want to tap on your Google account. In Google Services, switch to All Services over here and go to Game Dashboard. Of course, make sure that Game Dashboard is enabled, and secondly, enable the floating icon. Now we can go back to our game. You will find this arrow, most likely here on the right side, so you should be able to slide it to the middle to reveal this gamepad icon, and you can tap on it to open the Game Dashboard. And here you can find pretty much all the features, which includes, for example, the game optimization. At least for some games, we have some achievements, leaderboards, we can stream our gameplay. We can also toggle the screenshot button, the screen recording button, the frame rate, and D&D button. So we can activate D&D over here while playing a game. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.